If you're looking for a distraction-free, powerful note-taking app in 2025, two names you've probably come across are Obsidian and UpNote. Both are excellent, but they serve very different users. Let's break down which one is better for you. And starting with ease of use. UpNote is clean, minimal, and incredibly intuitive. It feels like Apple Notes, but smarter. Users on G2 and Trustpilot say it's perfect for journaling, quick notes, and writing without distractions. Obsidian, in contrast, has a learning curve. It uses Markdown and can feel overwhelming at first. But once you're in, it's fast, powerful, and built for knowledge management. Capterra reviewers love the speed and flexibility, if you're willing to invest some time to learn it. Next, let's talk features and customization. Obsidian is a powerhouse. Backlinks, graph view, daily notes, custom themes, and a huge plugin library make it ideal for researchers, writers, and coders. You can shape it into anything. UpNote keeps it simple. No plugins, no graphs. Just clean, organized notebooks. It's not as customizable, but that's the point. Many users say they love not having to tweak settings all day. Now on pricing. UpNote is very affordable. Just a one-time payment under $30 for lifetime access. That's hard to beat. Obsidian is free for personal use. If you want sync or publish features, they are optional add-ons. For both tools, you get serious value with minimal cost. Now integration. Obsidian supports community-built plugins that can hook into tools like Readwise or GitHub. It's great if you want more control. UpNote doesn't really do integrations, but it does sync beautifully across all devices, which users really appreciate. So, in the end, which one is better? If you want fast, focused writing app with no clutter, UpNote is perfect. But if you're building a personal knowledge system and want depth, speed, and customization, Obsidian wins. So, which team are you? UpNote or Obsidian? Drop it in the comments down below. And if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns. See you all in the next video.